In this video we will start to discover one of the simplest but powerful high-level computer languages used throughout the world. It's called Structured Query Language, or SQL for short. SQL is used on computers to work with databases. Watch what can be achieved with a few simple SQL commands. The version of SQL we are using here is called MySQL, so the prompt is MySQL and sits there waiting for us to give it a command. Now SQL is a very polite language and will only carry out commands if asked to do so in the correct manner. We comply and always say please at the end of every command, otherwise nothing happens. Now rather than type in please each time, we can use the shortcut semicolon. First we need to see all of the available databases, so the first command is show databases please. MySQL replies by supplying a full list of databases on the system. Here we'll use the database ilearn. Now remember what databases are. They are a collection of one or more tables. We need to see the tables in the ilearn database. How is this done? Luckily SQL is easy to learn, so we can simply ask show tables in ilearn please. MySQL replies displaying these three tables in the ilearn database: friends, shopping list and tasks. We can ignore all of the other databases in the system and concentrate on ilearn by entering use ilearn please. The system confirms this by replying database changed. The star character is normally shifted 8 on the keyboard, and in database terms it means a wildcard or everything. We can use it to see all of the contents of the table friends by entering select star from friends please. This is the complete table of friends. On the left are the record numbers, and across the top line are the field names. Note that they are all reasonably short, descriptive, in lowercase, but more importantly have all the spaces replaced by underscores. The reason for this will become clearer later. Note the data types. The row numbers are numbers, as are the numbers of brothers and sisters. The names are just text or characters. The birth date is obviously date. Perhaps not so clear is the gender field. It is Boolean and can take on the value of 1 or 0, 1 for female, 0 for male. It can't take any other value. So star is a wildcard and lets us see everything. What else can MySQL do? Two powerful uses of databases are sorting and searching. Let's look first at sorting. Have a look at the following commands and start to listen to the rhythm of the command, as it will help you to speak SQL. Select star from friends, order by first name, please. The same list, but MySQL has resorted it into first name alphabetical order. Stop the video if necessary to see the response to select star from friends, order by first name, desk, please. The only difference in the command line is desk, short for descending. So the first name order is now in reverse alphabetical order. We can do this with any field. Try select star from friends, order by birth date, desk, please. Or select star from friends, order by birth date, please. Notice the time taken by the computer to do these resorts. 0. Too small to record. The final part of sort is to say we do not need to display everything. Look at this command. Select first name, gender from friends to display just field names first name and gender. We could combine everything above by entering select first name, gender from friends, order by birth date, desk. That completes sorting. Finally, let's look at search. To search effectively, we need to know a little more about the data types used in our table. We can do this by typing show fields in ilearn, please. This table is displayed. Don't worry too much about this table, as all will become clear in the next video where we create our first database. The important field here is type. The familiar data types of numeric, integer or whole number, characters, which is text, data, a date, and Boolean, which is here called tiny int. Look at the way the data types affect this query. Select star from friends where, open bracket, first name equals Richard, close bracket, please. Select star from friends where, open bracket, brothers is greater than 1, close bracket, please. Now, this is something that you're almost guaranteed to forget at some time in the future, the use of these brackets in statements. The brackets contain what is known as a condition. The first condition is first name equals Richard, and the second is brothers greater than 1. Note that if you're searching for text or characters, surround the item you're searching for with quote marks, double or single. Speech marks are not needed when searching for numbers. Data and Boolean, tiny int, are left for you to experiment with. A little more powerful searches can be done when you're not sure of all the details. See these examples. Select star from friends where, open brackets, first name like %ARD, close brackets, please. The percent sign here is used to say anything followed by ARD. It can come in handy. The final part of the search we are going to cover here is logic. The logic statements are and or, and apply to the conditions like this. Select star from friends where, open brackets, brothers equals 2, close brackets, and, open brackets, sisters equals 0. Select star from friends where first name equals Richard or sisters equals 0. We've come a long way in this video, and it's advised that you rerun it and try the examples, as well as designing a few of your own. You're not expected to remember all this, and a good cheat sheet of examples is always very helpful. So let's review. Databases are collections of one or more tables. We can see the databases in the system by typing Show Databases. We can see the tables inside the databases by typing Show Tables with database name. To concentrate on a particular database, enter Use the database name. Star is a wildcard and means everything, so entering Select Star from Table Name displays all of the contents of the table. The two basic database reading functions are sort and search. To sort, we can enter commands like select and include an order by, or reverse the order by adding desk. Select star from friends, order by birth date, desk, please. To search, we need to take care of how we format the conditions, the items in braces. Numbers remain unchanged, but speech marks must be included around text. We can also use logical operators and or to the conditional statements to form more complex statements. Select star from friends where brothers equals 2 and sisters equals 0, please. In the next video, we'll learn how to create a database.